Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Khushbu and today we are officially 48 hours away from my class 12th English board exam and I am low-key panicking but also confident. So in today's video, I will be preparing for my English board exam. We will make a realistic plan. I'll share the exact strategy I am using to ace the English paper and of course productive study with me sessions. If you also have your English board exam in 1 or 2 days, this video is your sign to sit down and start. Let's begin. Okay, so first rule, don't randomly start studying. Step 1, brain dump everything. For English board exam, I am diving into reading section, writing section, literature, that is prose plus poetry and grammar. Now I am splitting 48 hours like this. Day 1, revise all prose chapters, revise all poems, practice one unseen passage, writing formats revision, and day 2, sample papers, that's for 3-hour full sitting, weak chapters revision, important quotations plus themes, grammar practice, the key is not overloading. English is more about clarity than mugging. Now let's talk strategy because this is important. First, reading section strategy. Don't spend more than 15 minutes on first page. Read questions first, underline keywords, write answers in your own words, avoid copying full line unless necessary. Writing section strategy, which is most scoring. This is where you can score full marks. Remember, follow format strictly. Leave one line after each paragraph and underline format elements like subject, salutations, etc. Keep language simple, not over fancy. Examiners love clarity. Third, literature strategy. For prose and poems, focus on theme, character sketches, important lines with meanings, author's messages. For example, if you have chapter from books like Flamingo or Vistas, don't just read summaries, understand the central idea. Board questions are usually 2 marks, which is direct, 5 marks theme plus explanation, and 6 marks, that is character analysis. Write structured answer, introduction, explanation, conclusion lines which is related to theme. And fourth, which is grammar, practice editing, omission, reordering. Grammar is free marks if practiced once properly. Okay, so now coming back to the video, by the time it was 10 AM, I had already completed 2 study sessions. One was of 1.5 hour, like 1.5 hours properly focused, and the second one was a full 2-hour session. I'm actually kinda proud of myself because morning sessions are the most productive for me, and in between I took a proper 30-minute break. I went outside, got some fresh air, did a little walk just to reset my brain. I feel like when you are preparing for boards, especially English, your brain gets saturated with information, so taking small breaks actually help you retain. And honestly, starting the day like this makes you feel so ahead of schedule. So right after that, I took a shower because I was feeling a little drained. Then I did a super quick skincare routine, nothing fancy, just toner, serum and moisturizer. Like I have been getting a lot of breakouts lately, acne, pimples, probably because of stress and lack of proper sleep during exam season. So I am just trying to keep it simple and hydrating, and then I topped it off with a lip gloss. I didn't know why, but putting on gloss instantly make me feel fresh. It's like a small wake up call for me. It just makes me feel like put together even if I'm sitting at home studying. Sometimes during exams we forget to do little things that remind us of ourselves. So yes, let's try doing something small that make us feel like us again, even in the middle of board prep. Now I feel reset.
What the dog doing?
Then around 12 pm I sat down again and started my third study session. This one was mainly focused on revision and solving practice questions, because at this point it's not about learning new things, it's about strengthening what you already know. And guys, by the time you are watching this vlog, I have already given my English board exam. So let me give you some honest tips from someone who just walked out of that exam hall. First, go through all the chapters thoroughly, not just summaries. Understand the theme, the characters and the message. If your syllabus include books like Flamingo and Vistas, don't ignore any chapter thinking this won't come, board can surprise you. Again, unseen passages, we got a different one obviously, but the pattern is similar. You have to be fast, read the questions first, underline keywords, don't waste too much time on one question. Time management is everything in English board. Third, learn the author names properly. It might seem small, but writing the correct author name in literature answers make your paper look more polished and accurate. Also, presentation matters. Leave proper spacing, underline heading, attempt every questions, don't leave long answers incomplete, and please manage your time like this. Reading section, fixed time. Writing section, don't overspend. Literature, structured answer. English is not hard, it's strategic. If you stay calm and write neatly, you can easily score very high. And lastly, in the evening, I honestly was not feeling like studying anymore. I think after so many study sessions, my brain was just done for the day, and instead of forcing myself to start a new chapter and not focusing properly, I decided to do something lighter. I still had my practical file to complete, so I thought this right now. If you are not in the mood to study heavy theory, switch to something productive but low pressure, it still counts. So I just sat down, completed my practical work and called it a day. Not even study day, has to be 10 on 10 perfect. Some days are about smart decisions, not long hours. And yes, this is it for today's vlog. I really hope this video helped you, especially if your English board exam is near. And let me know in the comment section, how are your exams going, how are you preparing, and what kind of videos you want to see next. And yes, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.